So with secure credit cards, you do not need to have a bank account wherever you're going to get secure credit cards at. Some credit cards require that you have a bank account with them. Like say if you go into a bank like maybe Federal, you have to have a savings account. Um, or checking account. But if you guys are doing like secure credit cards, like the credit builder card I'll tell you guys about, the First Premier, Open Sky, you're not going to have a bank account with either of these companies. So what you have to do is you just have to put a deposit down on secure credit cards. That's how it works. You put a security deposit down, and then you can put your security deposit down sometimes between 200 and it can be all the way up to sometimes like $5,000 you can put down. Some of these credit cards, after you put your deposit down, and send your card in the mail. But some of these cards, after 6 months, 12 months, they're going to graduate where they're going to give you your money back, whatever you put down as your deposit, and then give you a regular credit card. But you just have to use this credit card just like any other credit card. Only difference is you're putting money down on it just so that they can see that you can use the credit card correctly. But that's kind of how a secure credit card works. But like I said too, some of the cards that you may get, like Open Sky, you're not going to have a bank account or a debit card or anything with them. Like you just want to get your card with them and that's it. But just make sure you're using this just like a credit card. Do not let them report more than 5% to the credit bureaus, or it's going to drop your credit score a lot. Make sure you're paying your statement balance by the due date to make sure that you're not paying them any interest, because these secure credit cards have high interest rates. You can save a lot of money by paying your statement balance by your due date. And just use it like a regular credit card. And like 5% is my rule. Do not let them report more than 5% to the credit bureaus, because that's going to drop your credit score. If you just do that, you'll be good. And then most likely, if that secure credit card graduate, they're going to most likely graduate you to an unsecured credit card and give you a higher limit.